really starts again with the S8 device, but as well, we have the DeX station, right? So I'll pass this around so you can take some pictures of it. But this is what enables the experience in terms of connectivity to your larger screen keyboard and mouse. There's USB Type-C charger, HDMI, two USB 2.0 ports, and a wired Ethernet connection. And you can actually slide it up and charge it from that way as well. So it's not a hockey puck, it's a DeX station. So it's a really simple experience. Picture this, my home office, or maybe it's a hot desk at work. I have my S8 device. I simply can dock it into the DeX station. And in a few seconds here, you'll see the Samsung DeX experience load on the big screen. Loads up. And what you'll see, I'm presented with my lock screen. What's great in terms of the simple and convenient way to access your desktop experience is I can of course type a password in. I can also use the biometric authentication we're introducing in the S8 device. In this case, I'll use face recognition. I can just click here, look at my phone, and it'll unlock into my desktop experience. Seamless, right into the desktop experience. When I'm in my desktop experience, what you'll see here is that it's optimized, right, for the bigger screen keyboard and mouse input. It's not just a blown up mirrored version of what's on the phone. It's actually taking advantage of all the screen real estate. You have the ability to organize and customize the look and feel of where you want to put applications. You can even customize the wallpaper to whatever look and feel you want. And we're providing this paradigm of obviously, making you productive with your applications, right? So on the bottom left-hand corner is my app tray, right? So these are actually all the applications that are available on my S8 device. And then on the bottom right here, you'll see that there's my notifications and settings panels. So my ability to do different configurations for settings and options here. And what's also really great about the desktop experience is we wanted to make sure we provided multi-window support as well as the ability to resize the window. So in this case, I have the Samsung Internet browser. What you'll see here is when I load up this website, I can actually freely move the window around the desktop, as well as I can actually resize the window, and it'll adapt to whatever I resize it to. I can maximize it, minimize it. It goes back here in my app tray, open it up, and away I go. And what's great, not only is it resizable, I can actually have multiple windows. So if I open up email, say, and I want to compose a message, I can move it and organize it in a way that's productive. And what's great is I can also do some paradigms of mouse and keyboard input. So I'm obviously scrolling with the scroll wheel here. I can right click, it gives me a contextual menu. So I can copy this image. I can go in here and say, this is the TV I want. So I'm using keyboard. I can even use shortcuts like Control-V to paste, and I'll paste that image right into the email. So very kind of seamless experience, familiar, intuitive, that users will be able to use. Our partnership with Microsoft, so we're working closely with Microsoft to optimize their Word, Excel, as well as PowerPoint applications with the DeX experience, right? So the ability to have, stay productive with your Office documents, presentations, spreadsheets. So a great example of doing that is, let's say I'm creating a document here in Word. Move that over, as you see here, I'm resizing the window. We want to make this a very simple but also powerful convenience tool. So let's say I'm doing some work in a Word document, but I also, for whatever reason, either there's work or play, want to go on YouTube and watch a video. I can have this video going. Not that video. Go back here. This video playing. Have that video playing while I'm simultaneously typing away in this window. Right? So that multitasking ability is extremely powerful. You hear the audio coming out of the phone itself, and again, seamless experience with these applications. Very powerful. And we're also working closely with Adobe for their Lightroom application. So there's a lot of cases where you'll take obviously incredible photos with the S8 device, with a great camera, but you'll want to be able to actually have the convenience of a larger screen keyboard and mouse input to edit those photos. So a great example here is I can go to the photo, I have the larger screen real estate, I can use the mouse to crop the photo, I can even apply, different filters that I want, effects. So let's say I want to do a different effect like more vintage, I can apply that right there. And having that convenience again of that bigger screen experience and mouse and keyboard.